Good afternoon, Bulldog family. Mike Kapolka, Superintendent of the Chelsea School District here with your pre-spring break edition of the district update for the month of March. In this update, I'll be covering 4 items today. First, I'm going to share with you a few highlights of our unified basketball game from today. I'll then touch upon our visitor management system that we implemented at South Meadows Elementary. Next, I'll talk through the CSD's artificial intelligence guidelines that we've been working on throughout the year. And I'll end with sharing some data surrounding Chelsea High School's graduation data and graduation rate. So today, Chelsea High School proudly hosted the first ever Rock Your Socks Classic, which is a unified basketball game between Chelsea and Dexter Unified teams. Unified is a peer mentoring program at Beach Middle School that builds friendships and promotes inclusion between students with and without intellectual and developmental disabilities through activities such as team building, service projects, and like you saw today, sports. Beach Middle School students traveled to Chelsea High School and we're joined by Chelsea High School students to cheer on our athletes. A special thank you goes out to the incredible Beach Middle School staff, especially Alex Soul and Mara Kelly for their leadership in making this event such a success, and our awesome para-educators, Karen Paul, Ray Samick, Emily Solomon, and Mary Pearson for their hard work in making this event a reality. We're grateful for the entire school community for embracing this spirit of inclusion and making today truly unforgettable. As part of Chelsea School District's commitment to health and safety, we're in the process of piloting a visitor management system at South Meadows Elementary. This system uses an iPad-based check-in process that scans a guest's ID for instant verification, screening visitors through both national databases and our district's Power School system to flag any individual with restricted access to our buildings. The software also allows for customizable alerts, ensuring an added layer of protection for students and staff. In alignment with our district's strategic plan, we'll be extending this pilot to the Early Childhood Center at Pierce Lake following spring break. Thank you again to our community for your support in our continued implementation of additional safety measures throughout the district. So imagine your Bulldog collaborating with a tool that can write essays, generate code, and solve complex math problems in seconds. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a distant concept. It's rapidly becoming part of our everyday learning experiences here in the CSD. And tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Conmigo are becoming more and more everyday uses in education. The CSD did see a need to thoughtfully guide how our technologies are introduced and used by both our students and staff. This moment presents an opportunity to ensure that innovation in our classrooms is both meaningful and responsible. So to ensure AI supports, what we've ended up doing is we've created clear guidelines and guardrails for use in our schools. These are not designed to limit innovation, but to empower students and staff to use AI responsibly, ethically, and effectively. I'd like to invite you all to visit the websites, our Chelsea School District website under the Technology Department and under the tab of Artificial Intelligence, where you'll find our guidelines, which will include parent resources and updates on this topic. Chelsea High School continues to rank among the top schools in Washtenaw County for four-year graduation rates. Notably, CHS is the only school among the top three that does not have an alternative education high school, meaning that all of our students, regardless of academic standing, remain within the CHS school district rather than being placed in a separate alternative education program. This distinction highlights our longstanding commitment to supporting all students within a comprehensive high school environment, ensuring that they have access to resources and the supports they need to be successful. And then finally, as we head into spring break, I wanted to thank our students, staff, and families for the strong and successful start to the final trimester of the 24-25 school year. The time away is well-deserved. It's a great opportunity to rest, recharge, and enjoy the time with family and friends. Have a great spring break, and as always, go Bulldogs.